Hello, guys. Welcome to our new series on Toshi's Tulpamancy Guide. I've been doing a lot of research, doing a lot of things to bring this to you guys, and hopefully it's going to help a whole bunch of people. So today we're going to talk about, well, the introduction to Tulpamancy. Um, just so this kind of be like an overview of what we're going to be doing in the guide, I'm literally going to be going over everything I've learned um, in my 2 years as a tulpamancer and dedicated research. All right. Okay. Okay, Toshi. Good talk, guys. All right. So let's get started here. So tulpamancy is a tool, a wonderful tool or technique uh, that invokes an imaginary friend into a actual consciousness that lives within your mind. You can think of it as a sentient imaginary friend. You can think of it as another person in your mind. It doesn't really matter either way because it works. So there are a whole bunch of uses for tulpamancy. Of course, companionship is one of the main forms, but as you'll learn in this guide, there are a ton of uses for tulpamancy, and tulpas have very special and unique abilities that the hosts definitely just do not. We're not going to worry about doing a lot of video editing in this thing. It's just going to be put it on, listen, and enjoy some the information dump that I'm bringing to you guys. All right. So that's basically the introduction there. We're going to be working on things like forcing. Let me see here. I got this written down. Okay. So we're going to go into tulpa creation in depth, step by step, tips, tricks, everything from deviation. We're going to go over several different types of tulpa creation, including my personal one, because tulpamancy is a very weird subject, where it's very possible that one person's techniques won't work for everybody, but a lot of them are universally known. But I've kind of put a spin on quite a lot of them, um, as well as adding some of my own. So yeah, then we're going to go into switching, parallel processing, vocalization, um, Wonderlands and Mindscapes, absolutely. Um, Independence, forcing, everything. So those are just some of the topics we're going to be covering over the course of this series. So I hope you guys stick around and enjoy. I just wanted to do this nice little brief introduction into the Tulpamancy guide. So here we go. Let's get started.